70% of lottery winners go broke within 5 years. Millions of dollars gone. But here's the strange part. If a self-made millionaire loses everything today, house, business, savings, they usually build it all back within 3 to 5 years. Same country, same economy, same rules, completely different results. So the money was never the difference. Something else was. Think about the thermostat on your wall. If you set it to 20 degrees, the room will always come back to 20. Open a window and it heats up again. Turn on a fire and it cools right back down. Your mind has a thermostat too. But instead of temperature, it's set to a number, the amount of money you quietly believe you deserve to have. Give a person with a low setting $1 million and their mind will find a way to burn it back down. New cars, bad loans, friends with business ideas. Give a person with a high setting nothing and their mind will climb right back up. Your bank balance isn't a reward, it's a reflection. Nobody chose their setting, it was installed. By the age of 7, most of us have already absorbed our money story from the people around us. Money doesn't grow on trees. Rich people are greedy. We can't afford that. You didn't argue with those sentences. You were a child. You just saved them. And decades later, that quiet voice still whispers whenever an opportunity shows up. That's not for people like us. So what does a high setting actually look like in daily life? 3 simple things. 1. They pay themselves first. Most people earn, spend, and then save whatever survives, usually nothing. Wealthy thinkers flip it. The moment money arrives, a slice goes away, before the shopping, before the bills, before the temptation. Even a tiny slice. The size doesn't matter yet, the habit does. 2. They buy assets before luxuries. A luxury takes money out of your pocket every month. An asset puts money in. The trap is buying luxuries with your salary and calling it success. The move is to let your assets grow first, then let them buy your luxuries later. 3. They buy back their time. Poor thinking asks, how much does it cost? Wealthy thinking asks, how much time does it give me back? Because money is renewable, time is not. You can't argue with your thermostat, but you can reset it. Start by catching the old sentence. When you hear yourself say, I can't afford it, stop. Replace it with a question. How could I afford it? One statement closes the mind, the other opens it. Then give your brain evidence. Save a small amount and don't touch it. Finish one skill. Earn 1 extra pound outside your salary. Every small win quietly nudges the dial up, and the mind starts believing a bigger number is normal, because that's all wealth really is. Not luck, not a lottery ticket, just a normal number that you finally allowed to be bigger. So here's the question worth sitting with tonight. If someone handed you £1 million tomorrow, would your mind be ready to keep it? If your honest answer is not yet, that's not a failure. That's a starting point. Raise the setting, the money follows.